How do you verify the components of your plugin are behaving correctly? In this video, you'll learn how to author unit tests to ensure plugin components continue to behave correctly even after you update them in the future. Let's cover how to add unit tests for the extension. Gradle init created a sample unit test that we can use as a starting point. In each unit test, we create a project object and then apply the plugin to it. This is equivalent to users applying the plugin in the project build files plugin block. The sample unit test checks to see if the plugin added a task named greeting. This is done by the generated code. Let's remove this. For our unit test, we want to ensure that the plugin added the extension called coverage lock. Let's change the unit test name. And we can change the assertion to check for the extension. If we run the unit test, it should still pass. Just to ensure we set things up correctly, if we use the wrong extension name, the unit test should fail. Great! Let's change it back. And the test is passing again. We also want to ensure the plugin set the correct default values for the configuration options. We can get the extension object, and save it to a variable. And now we can add assertions. We can run the unit test to ensure things are working. And once again, we can change something. Let's say we change the goal and see if it fails now. Awesome. Let's change it back. And our test should pass once again. So that's a quick overview of how you can add unit tests to verify the behavior of the extension that you just created.